So right now I am doing a room tour at the Hotel Savoy in Limerick, Ireland. This is an amazing hotel that I got at the very last minute. It was a little pricey, but instead of heading back into Dublin, I just took the train to Limerick and stayed for a whole lot less here than I would have at a much worse hotel in Dublin. So first of all, I have this closet. Of course, we have the bathrobes, the slippers. The light turns on here. We have all of this, an ironing board. I'm going to show you the room, which is impressive, but the downstairs lobby is even more impressive. Then we have our tea set up in the morning, which I have found is fairly standard in Ireland. I actually have two beds. I only asked for one, but that's okay. I believe there's some sort of convention in town. That's why at the last minute I was able to get a room when one of the groups didn't need all of their rooms. Have this mirror. I just want to show you the view of Limerick from my room. And I'm impressed by this too. I have this desk set up, and look at under here. That's everything I have been carrying with me. That's my hiking gear, my tent. Everything is in that bag. Both pairs of hiking shoes, and they fit right underneath this little cubby here. That is incredible. Got a nice flat screen TV. Once I get out of the way, you'll see there's another mirror right here. I was on train and bus all day, so I don't want to be caught in any of the mirrors. And then you'll check out this fantastic bathroom where we have our shower. Obviously the toilet here, but we also have a bath. I don't want to spoil where I am in the trip and what's going on with the trip, because that's going to be its own video. But I could definitely use a soak in a tub, and I think that's going to happen. We have this here. All our amenities right here, and then of course the mirror, and I'm not going to show you all of that because then I would be in it. But just a lovely room, an incredible room for how much I paid for it. Ireland is expensive and Dublin is super expensive, but to find this at the last minute when Dublin was basically price gouging. There were hostels in Dublin where you just get a bed that were going to cost me more than this room here in Limerick. And Limerick is a really cool city. I haven't been here very long, but it's really beautiful. The people are incredibly nice. I actually have to say that while on the train, I met Alan, a photographer from Limerick. He actually walked me from the train station to the hotel just because he wanted to show me parts of his city, because he had that kind of pride in his city. You can see the mountains off in the distance. We have a windmill, a beautiful church. I'm going to have to look into that church. So I am definitely happy with this room. I was a little upset when I found out how much I did pay for it. Like when I had to make that payment, I wasn't too thrilled, but once I got here, oh my goodness. And it's only like a 15 or 16 euro train ride from Dublin. So if you think about how much cheaper hotels are here, if you want to see a little more of the country, even if you're staying in Dublin, to just throw an extra, I guess for 2 people it would be 32 euro to stay out here. You could pay 32 more euro than this room and in a heartbeat in Dublin and not get something as nice. So this is the Hotel Savoy, or the Savoy Hotel, I guess, is technically the official name, in Limerick. And I am just loving this. I wasn't having the best day. You're going to hear more about that in the longer video and in some of the podcasts about this. You'll probably even hear about it before this ever airs. But this has made my night. I'm at least going to enjoy tonight. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll talk to you all really, really soon.